guys, welcome back to TD Academy. So today's topic is all about Nifty Bs, or Nifty ETF. So you might have seen market crashing, and you have seen Nifty falling to 7,500 during COVID. So and you thought, let me buy Nifty. So and many of your friends told you have to buy Nifty only in Nifty futures. But many people don't know there is something called Nifty ETF, where you can buy Nifty ETF with just 150 rupees or 130, 140, it depends on the ETF price. So there are many ETFs in Nifty ETF. SBI has a very good ETF, ICICI has a very good ETF. So what is ETF? First question, what is ETF? Exchange Traded Fund. So exchange traded fund means it's just like a stock mutual fund. It is just like a mutual fund. It's a pool of shares. What is ETF? It's a pool of shares which is bundled together and it is traded in stock exchange. So ETFs can be traded in NSE and BSE also. So it can be bought and sold just like a share. What is ETF? It is just like a share. So it is a group of shares. It is just like a share, but it is a group of shares. So Nifty ETF means it's a bundle of top 50 companies in India. If Nifty ETF is going up means, it means Nifty is rising. When Nifty rises, your Nifty ETF value also rises. Let's say you bought Nifty ETF at 140 rupees. Today it went to 141. So almost, let's say 141 or 142, something like this. So almost Nifty also rise by 1%. Your Nifty or ETF also will rise by 1%. So it's directly proportional to Nifty. So many people will think, sir, instead of investing in shares, invest in indexes. So who told this? Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett told, instead of investing in shares, invest in index. So invest in index means, so which is the best option? Nifty, right? Nifty and Bank Nifty. So you can invest in Nifty and Bank Nifty in different way, that is ETFs. You can invest in Nifty ETF, Bank Nifty ETF, Pharma ETF, IT ETFs. So there are many ETFs definitely which will give a very good advantage. So it is just like a share. So definitely, so when Nifty was at 7,500, the ETF price was around 80 rupees. Now the same ETF is trading at 150 rupees. So Nifty has risen, even ETFs also rise, and you can hold this for lifelong. So there is no lock-in period. This is not a mutual fund to have a lock-in period. No exit load, no entry load. So anyone can buy ETFs. So please keep on buying ETFs on dips, so which will create huge wealth for you. So I'll just show you the graph also, where Nifty ETF or Bank Nifty ETF, whatever the ETFs which are available for us to buy. So I'll just show you in the system.
Let us see the Nifty ETF. So just go to any website and just type Nifty ETF. So if you want to buy Nifty ETF, it is just simple, very simple. Any person who has a Demat account, they can buy Nifty ETF. So this you can see before COVID. Before COVID, so COVID crash. So Nifty ETF was trading at 122. This is ICICI Nifty ETF I have taken. So it's your wish. You can buy Nifty Bs. Nifty Bs, which is Nippon is handling this. Nippon belongs to Reliance Capital. So they are handling those Nifty Bs. So you can type Nifty Bs or Nifty ETF. You'll get different companies ETF. So it's your choice. So my choice is ICICI. You can consider this also. So Nifty ETF, you can see 124 or 125 it was trading there before COVID. It fell to somewhere near, if you see, it fell to 81 rupees during COVID. So now it has gone up to 166, almost doubled. Any person who has invested in Nifty ETF in the March month, he has almost doubled the money. So that's the power of ETFs. It is just as simple as Nifty. So to buy Nifty, Nifty is a number we cannot buy, but Nifty ETFs can be bought with a minimal capital as 160 rupees or 80 rupees prior. So you can start investing in Nifty ETFs on dips. So whenever you have some money and you want to invest on Nifty, so definitely you can go ahead, because so Warren Buffett, what he told, invest in indexes which will give you much better returns than shares. So that's what he told. So invest in ETFs, which is directly related to index. So if index rises, if Nifty rises, our ETFs also will rise. If Nifty falls, ETFs will also fall. So definitely ETF is a very good opportunity to invest in stock markets. There is no lock-in period. There is no prescribed time period of expiry. There is no expiry. There is no lock-in period. There is nothing like that. So it is just like a share. So no exit load, no entry load. So it's completely like a share. You can buy at any point. You can sell at any point. So definitely, so you can hold this for lifelong also. So please invest in ETFs on dips. Will make a lot of money, and Nifty will, once it will reach 1 lakh also, it will reach 50,000. So now Nifty is trading at 15,000 some change. So it can go to 30,000 in couple of years, 2-3 years. So definitely this is also one of the very good investing tool or a medium. So where people don't have much idea about it. So definitely start investing in ETFs and definitely will get very good returns. So for any other information, for getting any stock market courses, visit our TD Academy. Definitely will guide you in a very good way. So we are highest rated in Google. So that is also a very good point about us. So we are very genuine and very straightforward institute in stock market learning. So thank you for watching.